Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight it's going to be a quick cook. It's not a quick cook, but it's going to be a quick video. I'm heating up the brisket, 580 up to 250 degrees, and you know, I know you've heard me tell you before, but one of the most requested sides whenever I go somewhere, whenever we're cooking something, is my green chili mac and cheese, the smoked green chili mac and cheese. You know, it takes a couple of hours, but it's delicious. It's super, super easy. And what I like about it the most is while you're cooking something else, you can put that cheese, or the mac and cheese in there, and it cooks for the 2 hours while everything's going. It all comes out at the same time if you plan it right. But tonight I'm gonna mix it up. We're gonna do smoked beer cheese mac and cheese with green chili still, and then I'm gonna add some pulled pork. So let's go get that prepared and get this going. This is how easy it is to prepare it. Pretty noisy. All right, one box, 16-ounce box of mac and cheese. For this beer cheese, I'm gonna toss in some butter, 4 tablespoons, half a stick, quarter cup, however you wanna say it and measure it. I've got 3 cups of whole milk. I'm hoping my pan is big enough. I think I usually use a little bit deeper. We'll see. So 3 cups of milk, whole milk, it's 24 ounces, right? So I'm gonna use 2 Coors Banquet beers, which is 24 ounces. So 50-50 milk and beer. This beer's been sitting out a little while, so it's not icy cold, but I gotta take a drink. Okay, so maybe it's 23.5 ounces. All right, liquid is fitting, but will the cheese? Also, what I'm gonna throw in here this time is, you can use Dijon mustard. I'm not a huge fan. I'm gonna put about I don't know, tablespoon of mustard, yellow mustard. All right, sounds gross, right? It'll be fine. I'm going to use about a cup of some medium green chilies. Okay. Let's just get this all stirred together, mixed well, because I need to see about getting all this cheese in here. I've got 16 ounces of shredded Colby Jack. So let's see if this will all fit. Looks like we may just luck out with this pan. Here, let me just dump it in there and we'll find out. Okay, freshly shredded, not out of the bag. Let me move this around. Let me see if I can get it mixed in a little bit. I set this on a cooling rack upside down. There's the feet, just to give it a little more stability when I'm carrying it and moving it, because these aluminum pans, when you load up a good amount of stuff in it, they get to be a little bit flimsy. All right, and one last thing I'm going to add, and a lot of times you want to do this at the end to make sure, you know, you get your salt content. I'm going to put some of my smoked salt, not a lot, probably not even a teaspoon. Okay, we're just going to start it with the salt in it. Mix this a little bit and get it out there in that Brisk 580 pellet grill. I'm using hickory pellets in that, in case you were curious. 250 degrees. This should take 2 hours. Let's go get it in there. Once again, we're using the Brisk 580 pellet grill. I got it up to 250 degrees, and all you got to do is slide this in there. All right. That's how simple this is. And when you're cooking something else, throw that in. Long cooks, at least if you're cooking for 2 hours, you got to do it. So we're gonna let this run for an hour. I'll be back. We'll stir it and mix it up, and then we'll let it go for about another hour. I'll be back. All right, we're at the 1 hour mark. Just get in there. You want to mix it up. You want to get that smoky goodness mixed in. Of course, try to be careful and not spill it like me. Check this in about 30 minutes, see where we're at. And I know you're probably wondering, I thought you said pulled pork was going in this. Oh, it is. It's going on the top. So, all right, I'll be back. We're about an hour and 45 in, and we're gonna give it a look. Oh, it looks like it's doing really well. Okay, get it mixed up again real well. The cheese is melting really nice. The noodles are looking like they're cooked. You should smell this. It smells incredible. All right, so now kind of flatten it out a little bit. And this is where I'm going to add the pulled pork. Okay, you could put bacon, but I've got pulled pork from the smoked pork shoulder that I did. If you haven't seen that, you should go watch it. The barrel smoker. Okay, so we're going to let this go probably about 20 minutes. All right, so I'll be back. All right, it's been 20 minutes. I just brought this inside. It's still really hot. I'll let it cool down a couple minutes. It's already getting dark outside, so I wanted you to be able to see this. We'll do a taste test. We'll end this, but doesn't that look fantastic? If you could smell it, oh my goodness. All right, I'll see you outside. All right. The brisket, this 580 is cooling down, and look at that. Smoked beer cheese mac and cheese with green chili and pulled pork. It smells amazing. Look at that. All right, let's get a big bite of everything. Green chili and pork. Here we go. I tell you what, if you like mac and cheese, you got to try this. Beer cheese mac and cheese. It makes an awesome side dish to whatever you're serving, especially barbecue. I get it requested all the time. Not the beer cheese, but the regular green chili mac and cheese, smoked on any pellet grill, but I use the brisket 580. All right, I'm gonna go eat this. Thanks for watching. Give this a try. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video.